Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. So in today's video, I'll be referring to you another instant factual trick on SportyBet. So as you can see, SportyBet just make an update. I'm just coming across this. I don't know if it has been long because it's been a while I came into SportyBet or anything sport betting. So but I just came across this afternoon and decided to get a trick from it. So if you see, look at this thing now, look at each of the teams on this instant factors. You see that all of them are rated with each of their stars. They are all rated with each of their stars. So we'll be going to be taking advantage of this new update on SportyBet, and we're good to go. All right, so I'll be using this trick only on England League. I don't know if it's working on any other leagues, but for the sake of this tutorial, I'll be using it only on England League. And we are going to be considering two equal stars. For example, if you look at these two teams, this Aston Villa and these other teams, they have 2 star. The both of them has 2 stars. Most of them has 2 stars. If you look at another one, is there another one that they have similar stars? Let's check if you can get that. Okay, so if you look at these teams too, with Arsenal, they both have 2 stars as well. So now when you have two teams that are having 2 stars together, so what you're going to do is click on that match. The reason meaning it means that if two teams are having the same rating star, it means that those teams are very competitive. So those two teams are kind of, is that they are both strong or they are both weak. So for this one now, 2 out of 5 is kind of a weak teams. They're kind of a weak team for this time around. All right, so what you're going to do is that click on that match and come to over and under. So you're going to predict the match to be under 2.5, and they're going to have two predictions. It's going to be under 2.5 and over 2.5. If you look at these two predictions now, you see that they have the same kind of over 2. So if you read on these two games, one of them is going to be a win and the other one is going to be a loss. So whichever one is going to have your profit, though it's kind of a bit low, but it's going to be something consistent. When something is very small and it's consistent, before you know it, it's going to turn something big compared to you just having a big loss all the times. All right, so don't forget, you're going to make your predictions on this, and let's go the amount we want to stake now. So I'll be using this for the sake of this tutorial. So very quickly, so disclaimer while the video is going on, this video is just a guide. It's just a guide. Note that anything that has to do with this is kind of a lock. So you're just trying your luck. If it works well for you, fine, and if it does not, fine too. So this is just a guide to put you through on how you can make your little profit. Okay, so as you can see now, with the one of the prediction is a win. You can see your screen. So we stick with this thing can show the full screen because I'm actually using the landscape mode to record this video. All right, so if you look at total one now, we used 40 naira, now we have 57 naira. So that's a plus to the staking amount. All right, so now let's go to the next round and let's try it again. All right, so I'm actually looking for something of 3-star. If I don't know if you can get that, let's check. So you make sure that the teams you are using, they have the same rated star. For example, this one has 3 stars, so we can go for this, and still the same strategy, under and over 2.5. Okay, this one the high hard here is over 3.5, so we're going to use over 3.5 because over 2.5 hard is now up to 2 hard, so that's not going to be something good. Or else you want to use arbitrage, calculator if you want to avoid losing, because sometimes I said it's just a guide, it's not 100% sure. So in order to be 100% sure, you can use arbitrage calculator for this. You can use arbitrage. I don't want this video to be long, so I won't be doing that, or I explain that in another video. All right, so you select this and you go to your staking amount, and you are good to go. So don't forget, we are paying 40. So let's kick off and let's watch the outcome. So guys, if you're just coming across this channel and you're yet to subscribe, kindly hit the subscribe button, put the notification icon so as to get notified anytime I post a new video. So you can see this is 3 goals already in first half. We need just one more goal to win this particular one. We need just one more goal. So can you see that now? The goal has already been delivered. We've already won. This is a win already. This is a win already. So no doubt. Can you see that now? So you see this trick is probably working using the statistics. So if you haven't subscribed to my channel, as I've said earlier, kindly hit the subscribe button now and put on the notification icon so as to get notified anytime I post a new video. Thank you guys for watching. See you on the next video. Bye.